Apply a baking soda solution around entry points and trails once weekly in high-risk areas to keep ants away. Use a simple 1-to-1 baking soda and powdered sugar mix, or a baking soda and water paste, and apply it as a thin line or small dabs along baseboards, door thresholds, and window sills. For powdered applications, keep it dry and replace any that gets swept or wet. For a paste, let it dry before expecting results because ants avoid wet food that does not dissolve. Target places where you see activity and follow trails backward to find nests or secondary paths, then treat those spots as well. After cleaning up food spills or sugary residues, reapply within 24 hours so you do not unintentionally remove the bait before it works. If you get heavy rain or hose down patios and the treatment area is washed away, reapply as soon as surfaces are dry to maintain the barrier. Monitor activity weekly for a month, then reduce frequency to every 2 to 3 weeks if sightings stop, but return to weekly or increase applications when activity returns. A common mistake is applying the mixture only once and expecting permanent control, which does not work. Treat weekly and after disturbances until activity declines. Another issue is using wet paste everywhere and leaving surfaces sticky, which attracts other pests and people. Use small dabs, allow drying, or switch to a dry powder where appropriate. People also forget to find and treat secondary trails and nests, so ants simply reroute. Follow trails back, treat multiple points, and maintain monitoring so you can catch reinfestations early. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing project types and letting users share experiences and ask questions. We host a discussion community where we and other members exchange tips on treatments like baking soda and coordinate referrals and local advice.